This video is to demonstrate the use of the new improved proactive sales workflow, which a new version of Speedy has made available. To begin, let's ensure that you have the latest version of Speedy by going into the settings. As you can see from the top of the screen, the new version should be 16.12.03. If you do not see this version, please proceed to the app catalog and locate the new version of Speedy and download it. Once you have downloaded it and you have ensured that this version is correct, just go on the left side navigation bar and touch Login and Databases. And we want to reload the configuration just to ensure all functionality is made available to you. Once that's done, hit OK, then proceed back to the home screen. Locate the customer you are planning on visiting by touching the Head and Shoulders icon, selecting Customers from the left side navigation bar, and then you would select your customer as normal, which will take you now to the customer dashboard where you can begin your pre-plan. Touch on the clipboard and you will immediately notice that we have two new buttons, the Interrupt and Create on the top of the screen, where you once had Cancel and Save. Let's begin by adding articles to the pre-plan. You'll notice we have also a new category, Power Products. At any time, you could always interrupt the pre-plan to take a call or to add maybe a bookmark. As you notice, we don't have any articles in this case. I can interrupt. As you can see, the clipboard is now yellow. And you can always go back, like I mentioned, and continue adding articles to the pre-order cart. Or you could just hit the Create button, which will finish your pre-plan. Hit OK, a number of articles are added, and you'll notice now that the clipboard is green. Also notice that we have two new buttons that were once inactive, the handshake and the handshake with the stopwatch. If you choose the handshake or full process, it will show all articles that were selected in the pre-plan. If you choose the handshake with the stopwatch or short sales talk, it will only show the items you selected from the customer's purchase history. Let's choose the handshake option. As you can see immediately, the cart type is no longer order, but instead it's order draft. As you present the order draft to your customer, based on his decision, you can select from three options when you slide the line to the left. The red thumb down icon will remove the item from the order draft. The orange arrow icon will move that article into the pending order draft lines category within the pre-plan, so you can add that the next time you go visit this customer. And the green card icon will add that item to the order cart. Once you've gone through all articles within the order draft, the cart will be created and you can release it then. As you go down the line, just continue, hit a dislike item. Just start removing some of them. Maybe we'll put this one for the next order. Or if you notice, there's a short sales talk slider bar here. If you slide this over to the right, make it green, it will only display the articles that were from the previous purchase history. So, if your customer has no time to stay with you, you could just present them these two, and then you can select it from there. Or you can slide the slider back, and it'll take you back to the full pre-order cart, and then where you can continue adding to the cart, adding, we'll put it for next time, we'll delete this one, and we will add this one. Notice now that it's now an order cart with the 4 items that we selected from the pre-plan. As we saved a few of the items from the pre-order cart, just want to show you how that looks. So if we go back to the customer's dashboard by touching the customer name from the top of the screen. If we go back to the clipboard just by touching it, you will see now the top category, pending order draft lines. Here are the 2 articles that we added for next time. So whenever you go back to create another pre-order cart for this customer, those 2 articles will be available there to select from. And then you continue adding to the pre-order plan by selecting other products from the other categories.